Discovered a ZXZ file in a retro gaming collection? This is a saved state from one of the most iconic 8-bit home computers ever made. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll get you back into your ZX Spectrum session in no time. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor ZXZ corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. ZXZ files are emulator snapshot files, preserving the complete machine state of a ZX Spectrum computer, including CPU registers, memory contents, display buffer, and peripheral states. They allow instant restoration of exact emulation sessions in ZX Spectrum emulators. ZXZ snapshot files store a binary dump of the Z80 CPU register, set complete 48K or 128K RAM contents, ULA display state border color, AY sound chip, registers and memory paging configuration, capturing a precise moment of ZX Spectrum emulation. For ZXZ, begin with ZX Spectrum emulators to reduce the chance of corruption. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows cannot interpret animation, shader, or resource data, so proper handling demands dedicated utilities. To resolve the incompatible format issue, right-click the ZXZ file and choose Open With. Prioritize ZX Spectrum emulators if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a functional file claim. If the ZXZ file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Let's keep moving forward. We're isolating the ZXZ problem to one of 3 basic causes. This next steps provide a quick, reassuring breakdown of what to look for. First, loading in an emulator. Open the ZXZ file and fuse the free Unix Spectrum emulator using File, then Open. The emulator restores the exact machine state, allowing you to continue from the saved point. ZXMUT and Speci also support loading ZXZ snapshot files for instant session resumption. Next, converting snapshot formats. Use the Fuse Utilities package to convert ZXZ files to more widely supported formats, like Z80 or SNA, using the snapconf command line tool. This ensures compatibility with a broader range of ZX Spectrum emulators across different operating systems and platforms. Finally, managing Spectrum files. Organize your ZXZ snapshots alongside TZX and tap tape images using a Spectrum file manager. Create new snapshots during gameplay using the emulator save state function to preserve your progress at any point during a ZX Spectrum computing session. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.